Good day, everyone. I am Claudine Exi Oko Asuncion. My task is to tackle about scales of measurement, specifically how to score the variable and what to write on a scoring guide. So first, I will define what is measurement. Normally, when one hears the term measurement, they may think in terms of measuring the length of something or measuring a quantity of something. This represents a limited use of the term measurement. Measurement in scientific research refers to the assigning of number to observations in such a way that the numbers are amenable to analysis by manipulation or operations according to certain rules of purpose of coming up with the new information about the objects being measured. In other words, the term measurement is used more broadly and is more appropriately termed scales of measurement. There are actually four measurement scale: the nominal or classificatory scale, ordinal or ranking scale, interval scale, and ratio scale. The measurement scale indicates the type of mathematical operations that can be performed on the data. Most commonly, measurement scale are used when describing the properties of variables. The nominal scale. The nominal variables are also called categorical variables. It means that it can be placed into categories. This is the weakest level of measurement. Numbers are used as codes to classify an object, person, or characteristics into certain categories. They don't have numeric value and so cannot be added, subtracted, divided, or multiplied. It has also no order. Example, the variable color: 0 for red, 1 for blue, and 3 for green. The next type of scale is the ordinal or ranking scale. For this level of measurement, numbers are again used as codes to classify an object, person, or characteristics into certain categories. But these categories are not just different, but be put in order. In other words, this type of scale contains things that can be placed in order. For example, the socioeconomic status: 1 for poor, 2 for middle class, and 3 for rich. Basically, if you can rank data by first, second, or third place, and so on, then you have data that's on an ordinal or ranking scale. Next type of measurement is, my PowerPoint is not working. Okay, is the interval scale. This scale has all the characteristics of an ordinal scale. In addition, the distance between 2 points on a scale is known. However, the 0 point is artificial. This means no true 0 point. In other words, an interval scale has ordered numbers with meaningful divisions. Example, the temperature is on the interval scale. A difference of 10 degrees between 90 and 100 means the same as 10 degrees between 150 and 160. Compare that to high school ranking, which is ordinal, where the difference between first and second might be zero point zero 0.01 and between 10th and 11th, 0.5. If you have something meaningful divisions, you have something on the interval scale. Equivalence of greater or less than difference between 2 points can be compared. Example, 32 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, and 1 degree Celsius. The last type of scale measurement is the ratio scale. This type of scale is exactly the same as the interval scale with one major difference. 0 is meaningful. Example, the weight of the cotton: 2.2 grams. zero point 0.1 grams, and 1.3 grams. Another example would be a height of 0 is meaningful. It means it doesn't exist. Compare that to a temperature of 0, which while it exists, it doesn't mean anything in particular, although admittedly in the Celsius scale, it's the freezing point for the water. Now, let's proceed on what to write under scoring guide. So, as you can see in the PowerPoint, there were three columns. The first column is for the score, and the remaining two is for the interval and the description. The table presents the scoring guidelines with 4 being the highest point weight and 1 being the least. So this means that 4 has a qualitative description of very good with scoring interval of 3.7 to 4 for good with scoring interval of 2.80 to 3.69 and 2 for fair with the scoring interval of 1.90 to 2.79 and of course 1 for poor with a scoring interval of 1 to 1.89. This slide is another example of how to present a scoring guide. The Likert scale of 1 to 4 for the pupil's attitude towards science subject and the extent of science process skills on personal, home, and surrounding. So that's all for my report. Hope you gained something on my short discussion. God bless you and keep safe.